Hey y'all, what's up? I'm Brian with Fishers Off-Road, and today I'm going to show you how we installed the HOPPE Audio Mini in our 22.5 Can-Am Defender Limited. We had to do a little bit of maneuvering and fabrication. There's a bracket up in the top and it holds the bus bar and all your stuff for your windshield wiper up front here. There's this metal visor up here for where your roof mounts onto. What I did was I just basically cut a hole to where I could put the connector for the windshield wiper through there, so that way I wasn't pinching anything or had anything in there and it just kind of, you know, didn't fit right or didn't look right. You'll have to take out the liner inside your roof. Your light up inside your liner, you're gonna have to take that out and just pull everything out in order to put this in. You're gonna hook everything up underneath here under the hood, and your wire is gonna come over here, your power wire, and it's gonna run right up your A-pillar up into your audio unit itself. This is how it looks once you get it all installed in your Defender Limited. You know, you got your roof here and it all fits nice and looks good. It looks like it was meant to be in here. It's not really like an afterthought. You also have a light up here. You have your rearview mirror up here, and you got the bracket that bolts to it. So it's all set up pretty good. So overall, the system is pretty clean. It looks good. I took it for a drive and listened to it. It sounds real good when you're driving. I'm actually going to play you some music, and it's not like today's hip type music. It's music license that I have. The social media outlets don't like that when you bootleg music, so we're going to play some stuff that I have a license to. So here we go. Check it out. You can control everything right here. You got Bluetooth, and then you also have bass, and you have treble. You can change all that, and then you can do your balance, your fade, your EQ. You can set up your EQ if you want classical, rock, whatever you want. You can use that as well. I just set it up custom that I can control everything myself, the bass and treble. I just like the way it sounds whenever I control all that. It did not have directions for the Defender Limited. It only had directions for the Maverick Sport and Commander. And also I got two passenger side brackets. Did not get a driver's side bracket. So just to get this in and finish the video, I actually took the bracket and bent it so the ears would lay over to the left, so it would be a driver's side bracket instead of a passenger side bracket. I did email the company, left them know, and they did send me a bracket out within a day, but it was not the correct bracket. It was another bracket. I hit them back up and told them that they did not send me the correct bracket. So, you know, a little bit of hiccup there. The directions weren't right and the brackets weren't right, but I did look on their website, on the HOPPE Audio website, and there is a complete PDF version of instructions on how to install this soundbar in the Defender Limited and also in the Defender XTs. So if you don't have a Limited, there's directions for that too. So just a little bit of a hiccup, but other than that, it looks good, it sounds good, pretty clean. Retails for $900. You can get this at WPS dealer or Parts Unlimited dealer or the HOPPE folks themselves. We're also a WPS dealer, so if you would like us to drop ship you one of these, go ahead and hit us up. All right, y'all. Thanks a lot. Take care. Have a good one.